Hello everybody and welcome to my new room tour here in my house in 2022. In this video, I'm going to give a tour of my room. Let us begin. Starting off here, you have my lovely wardrobe. Then here is a nice sunny view, which has been blurred because I don't want to show my street. Now if you look here, we have lovely decorations. That's my blue snowball microphone that my good friend Ammon gave me for my birthday. Thanks, mate. This is a biblically inaccurate angel. And over here, we have my lovely plant pot. You can see these lovely large green leaves. Going over this way, we have another sort of wardrobe. And here is my storage. And over here, we have a prestigious Sidemen table, which acts as a storage as well, with some extra bags in there.
So what are you waiting for? Buy now the special edition Sidemen futon table for only £40.
Now, you may be wondering, mate, where's your bed? Well, I'll show you now. I have a lovely traditional futon bed. So I hope you have enjoyed my room tour, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.